Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back again to Susan Best TV. Welcome back to Susan's Kitchen. Thank you so much, guys. If you want to know how I made this, my yummy chicken, watch this video till the end, guys. So, guys, if you like what I'm doing here, also you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video, guys. So, guys, here is how I made my chicken. So after putting the chicken, I'm going to add garlic to it. After garlic, I will be adding onions to it. It's optional, guys. Okay, how you want it, but this is how I like it, though. So have a seasoning cube. Then after this, I'm going to be adding salt to taste. So after the salt to taste, guys, I'm going to be adding milk. Yes, this is what I'm going to use to cook my chicken for just 5 minutes, guys. I'm going to cook it for 5 minutes because I want all those things to go in there. Then after 5 minutes, I will be taking it out, and that's when the main thing starts. Before I will start coating my chicken. All right. So just watch and see, guys. So after this, I'm going to be adding the flour to the bowl that I'm going to be using. And after adding this flour, then here is black pepper, salt to taste, ginger powder, and seasoning vegetable powder. So this is the things I'm going to be adding to it. So if you like it spicy, this is when you put spicy stuff. All right, because of my kids, I love it when it's a bit not too spicy. Okay, here is I'm going to be using 2 balls of eggs because it's quite much. I don't want to like to go out of egg the halfway. So here is what I'm going to be using too. It's like it's made of bread. If you have dry bread, you can just blend it and to give you exactly this quality. So now I'm going to steam the water I use. The milk I use in boiling that chicken. I need the water. All right, just see how I use it, guys. So I hope to see you in my next video. So now it's coating time. So I'm going to be coating my chicken twice. All right. When I do it this first time, I'm going to do it the second time. Just watch and see how I do it. So also tell me what you think about this thing. I'll be glad to hear from you. So please, if you're not subscribed to Susan Best TV, what are you still waiting for? Subscribe to my channel and also follow my page as Susan's Kitchen. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you all for your support and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you, guys, and enjoy the view. Bye.